Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the request is not supported on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution will be to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. It will need a while, but it will search for missing and corrupt files on the system and it will fix them if possible. Now, another way is a check disk scan, which will be very helpful if you're using an HDD hard drive. Not as much for an SSD one, but for HDD drives, it will be very helpful because this scan will select the check the bad sectors of the hard drive and fix them if possible. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, then click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.